Hi guys, welcome back. Let's make this crunchy, yummy fried meat pie together. You are going to love this. It's a fried meat pie. It won't soak oil. Let me share the recipe with you. So guys, welcome back. Here are all the ingredients I'm going to be using. I have flour, 4 cups of flour, 3 tablespoons of butter, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon sugar. And here are all my fillings, which is my meat, carrots, garlic and ginger, pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, then onions, chopped onions, green bell pepper, spring onions. Then this is the oil I'll be using for my deep frying. So these are all the ingredients. I'm going to be leaving them in my description box. It's time to make the dough. I'll add the flour, sugar, salt, mix it together very well. So I'll rub in the butter. So we don't have to use much butter. You can use butter or you use vegetable oil, which is still 3 tablespoons. So we are not using plenty of butter or plenty of vegetable oil because we are going to be deep frying it. It's not for oven. So I'll add in 1 cup of water. I'm going to be adding the water bit by bit. I'll add 1 cup first, because here I use 1 cup of water and 2 tablespoons of water, which is 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons. You can see it's still hard, so I have to add more water. That is 2 tablespoons of water, not cold water, just normal room temperature water. So I'll mix it to get a dough. Here I'm just trying to combine everything together very well, not actually kneading it. You don't have to knead it. You can see I'm done. I'll cover it and let it rest for like 10 minutes before I work with it. So the next thing is to do the filling. On my preheated pot, I'll be adding in vegetable oil. I'll add in onions. So I'll fry the onions until the onions is transparent. Then I'll add in my meat. You can see that the color have changed from that bright color and is becoming dim. So I'll add in thyme, curry. This is 500 grams of meat. Add in the garlic and ginger with the chopped pepper. Continue to fry it until the water dried up. Then I'll add in the seasoning cube, salt, and burning spice. So it's time to add in the vegetable. I'll add in the carrots, green bell pepper, and the spring onions. You can see how colorful it is now. Very beautiful. You can add any bell pepper of your choice. You can choose to add the red, add the yellow, anyone you have available. So I'm going to use cornstarch to bring the meat together. So I mix 1 tablespoon of corn flour. I mix it with water. That is what I just add in just now, so that it will not be one, it will come together. You can see how it is now. This feeling is so lovely, so yummy. So we are done. I'm going to allow it to cool down a little bit. You can see how soft the dough is now. So I'm going to cut the dough into 4. I'll dust my working surface with some little flour. You have to roll this to be very thin. Don't have to be strong like the one you baked in your oven. You can see how light it is. Remember, this is fried. We are going to fry it and not bake. So I'm going to be using this my plate as a cutter. You can as well use your meat pie cutter. I'm still going to use that so that you see. I'm just trying to show, if you don't have meat pie cutter, you can use any cutter to give you your choice of shape. I use brush to put some water around it so that it can seal very well. You can see the way I'm using my hand to seal it. Then I'll use fork. That fork will seal it up and also give it a unique design. So I'll continue with that process till I'm done. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share. You can see I still repeat the same process. So here I'm going to be using the meat pie cutter. Like I said, your dough have to be very flat. Now see how beautiful it is. It's now time for us to fry. I'll pour in the oil and allow it to hot before starting. You can see the oil is bubbling when I put the stick. That means it's hot enough. So let's start frying. So I'll be putting it one after the other. If you have watched to this extent, that shows you like this video. Please hit the like button and comment down below if you like fried meat pie or you love the baked one. You can see it's coming out well. Fry until it's golden brown. So I'm satisfied with the color. I'll be bringing it out now. You can see how beautiful it is. So I'll continue with the process until I'm done, and here is our yummy crunchy meat pie. The filling is so sweet, juicy inside and crunchy outside. Let's put it that way. Thank you all so much for your support. Thank you for always clicking on my video whenever it pops up. Our returning subscriber, thank you. You guys are the real MVP. And to our new subscriber, thank you for subscribing to my channel. You will love it here. Please keep supporting, keep watching, and keep commenting. Give me that like. Thank you all. See you in my next one. Bye.